Hi everyone, I'm back with another slime tutorial. Today we're making glossy slime. I'm so excited to make this super thick and glossy slime. Let's get started by adding in white glue, then add in some food coloring. Today I'm going for blue, and we're going to make this so thick and glossy that we're going to be needing baby oil. And I have done 2 or 3 videos on my channel for glossy slime, but this is going to be the most epic one because we're adding in the most glossy slime ingredients. Next, we're going to need some lotion. So for these glossy slime ingredients, they are so glossy that you can use them separately. You don't need to use all of them together, but I'm using them all together so that they make the most glossiest slime. Next, you're going to need glycerine. This is super thick and it also makes glossy slime. And lastly, we're going to need Activator. Add some Activator until your slime is not sticky, or you could go ahead and knead it in like I am so that your slime doesn't get overactivated, but if it does get a little bit overactivated, it's totally fine. Now for some ASMR. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Now I'm going to add some glitter into my slime, and I'm going to try some slime pressing. Too bad I couldn't get any ASMR out of this, but it's totally worth it. So thanks for watching today's video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye!